Hello friends, welcome back to CDL. In this tutorial we will see how to use shaft command. So before use this shaft command we have to create some sketch. So let's start. I will select here XY plane. I will go in sketch mode. Now very first I will define one axis. So you can increase that height also, just dragging this point so in any direction up and down, so you will adjust height accordingly. Now I will create one profile. So with the help of this profile we can create one shaft. So let's drag here so it will be more visible. So now I will create one simple profile. So let's see. So this is the one simple sketch just I draw. Now we will exit from this sketch and I will try to rotate here just for better visualize. Okay, so now we will use this shaft command. So once you click on this shaft command, so it will take default degree Celsius, how much degree Celsius you want. So here in this shaft definition there is the limits. So first angle, second angle, so how much angle you want. So by default it will take 360, and second angle it will be a 0 degree Celsius. So sum of these two angles it should be a 360 angle. So sum of the two angles must be a less than 360 or 360 degree. So you cannot increase more than 360. Now I will maintain as a 360 now here. So there is the first limit, second limit, and this is the sketch by default it took. So if you have different sketch you can select. So now this sketch is selected by default. So if you want thick, so this is the one option. So how much thick you want. So I will show you first. This thickness we will discuss later. First I will show you how it looks here. So this is the axis. So which axis you want to select. So we have already selected this axis by default in sketch axis. Even if you can select from here also. If you want in reverse direction you can go with reverse direction. So now we don't want in reverse direction. I will show you here in preview how it looks like. So it is looks like this. So this is the one hole. This is like just it's kind of shaft. I make this geometry just for understanding purpose how we can use this shaft command. So I will use this reverse command. So if you reverse, so how it looks. So let's undo here or just go back. Again I will use this shaft command, and this is by default it took 360. Here I will show you one more thing. So if you want, let's say I want to uh, decrease my first angle as a, let's say something 270, and yes, so in 270 if you decrease it looks like this. So if you preview, looks like this. So if you want thickness, so I will show you here better how it looks thickness. So if you want increase, you can increase thickness from here. Let's say I will increase, so it's 0 it became. Now I will increase to 5 or 6 mm. Just preview how it looks. You see inside this it will be visible how it thickness is increasing. So if you want you can just decrease again. I will show you. I will try to decrease here 0 here. So likewise we can use this shaft definition. If you want, you can do in a reverse direction, so it looks like in a reverse direction. So if you want in another direction, you can keep in another direction. We saw here how we can use a shaft definition. Okay guys, so we will see another command in our next video. So we will meet in next video. Thank you.